Welcome back to the channel. We have this question on binary operations. It will help us refresh our memory on binary operation and also on sorts. It says if a binary operation is defined by A asterisk B equals A over B plus B over A. Now, if the root of x plus 1 asterisk the root of x minus 1 is equals to 4, I'm to find the value of what? Of x. Now, clearly, you see that A now is the same thing as the root of x plus 1, while B is the same thing as the root of x minus 1. So, if I substitute in this equation, I will have A asterisk B to be the same thing as the root of x plus 1 all over the root of x minus 1 plus the root of x minus 1 all over the root of x plus 1 is equals to 4. Now, with that, I can take an LCM. I'll take an LCM. You have this as root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1. Now, if you look at this they're actually conjugates of each other. Now, equals 4. Root of x minus 1 in my denominator here, I'll be left with root of x plus 1. That's root of x plus 1 times root of x plus 1. That's root of x plus 1 all squared. Now, root of x plus 1 in the denominator here, I'll be left with root of x minus 1. So, I'll have the root of x minus 1 all squared again. So, I can expand the numerator and also the denominator. Let's expand it. If I'm to expand the root of x plus 1, let me just do this here so that you understand it. This root of x plus 1 into root of x plus 1. This will be the same thing as root of x will multiply everything here, then plus 1 also will multiply. Root of x times root of x, that's x, because the square root will cancel each other. Root of x times 1, that's plus root of x. 1 times root of x again, that's plus root of x. And 1 times 1, that's plus 1. So the root of x plus 1 will expand into x plus 2 root x plus 1 plus, now root of x minus 1 all squared will expand also into x minus 2 root x plus 1. You can try that expansion on your own. Then the root of x minus 1 times the root of x plus 1, this should expand into x, that's root of x times root of x, that's x plus root of x plus, or rather minus root of x, because this is minus 1, then minus 1 equals 4. So that we can, let's open another slide now, so that if you look at what I have on the numerator, I have root plus 2 root x minus 2 root x, it gives way. Then I have x plus x, that becomes 2x. Then I have 1 plus 1, that's the same thing as plus 2, all over root of x minus root of x, this also gives way. I have this as x minus 1 equals 4. Now I can cross multiply so that 2 root x plus 2 is the same thing as 4 into x minus 1. So that 2 root x plus 2 is equals to 4x minus 4. Now let's collect like terms. I want to move 4x this way so that 2 root x minus 4x will be the same thing as minus 4 minus 2. So that here is minus x now is equals to minus 6. So that x is equals to minus 6 over minus 2. Obviously, x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. With this help, you understood how I solve this binary operation. I'll be glad you share your comment with us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.